This is number 13 from section 3.5 on your homework. Again, this is one we didn't get to in class because of the 2-hour delay. So we'll be doing it tomorrow in class, but I'll also do it on here so you can watch the video on here if you want to get it done tonight. I know some of you are busy. So the problem asks you to solve for x, and then it's e to the x plus e to the negative x divided by 3 equals 3. So the first thing you have to do is get rid of that divided by 3. So you would times everything by 3. Then you would get e to the x plus e to the negative x equals 9. Okay, now the only thing you can really do, you can't combine them because they're plus and they're not the same thing, so they're not like terms. But what you can do is, we know what e to the negative x is. Rewrite that because negative x is a no-go. So I know this rewrites as 1 over e to the x, then this is still e to the x plus 1 over e to the x equals 9. Now, just like when we were solving when that was just x, we don't like to have that on the bottom. So we have to clear our fractions. In order to clear your fractions, what you first have to do is you will have to times everything by e to the x. Then when you do that, e to the x times e to the x is the same as e to the x squared, because I'm multiplying it by itself. And then if you do e to the x times over e to the x, you plus 1 equals, and then I'm going to take that times 9 equal to 9e to the x. Okay, then if you look very carefully, this is kind of a quadratic in disguise. Except instead of x's, we're using e to the x's. So I'm going to move everything over to e to the x squared and moving this over so I can subtract it. Plus 1 equals 0. So if you look at this, this is like quadratic. So instead of e to the x, we use a heart. It's a heart squared minus 9 times heart plus 1 equals 0. So it's just a quadratic in disguise. It's just a little fancier than you're used to, maybe. So there's 2 ways to solve a quadratic. Well, technically 3. We could factor it. So to factor, you'd say what multiplies up to 1 but ends with -9. There's nothing. So the second way is to use the quadratic formula. So you could either start off with e to the x heart, multiply that to heart equals instead of x, whole opposite of b, which is 9, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 81, minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Okay. Now, if you want to solve this, instead of heart, we know heart is the same as e to the x, and just replace it here. So I'm going to go ahead and write e to the x is equal to, well, this is 9 plus or minus the square root of 88 minus 4 is 77, and all of that's divided by 2. I can't simplify the square root of 7, it doesn't simplify, the only things that go into it are 1, 77, 7, 11, and none of them are perfect squares. So that doesn't simplify. So now I know I have e to the x equals all of this. I want to solve for x. Well, to get rid of e, the inverse of e is the natural log. So you take the natural log on both sides. Square root of 77 divided by 2. Okay, well, we already know the natural log and e, they cancel each other out. So I'm left with x equals all of this. There's technically two since there's plus minus. So x equals the natural log of 9 plus the square root of 77 divided by 2. And x equals the natural log of 9 minus the square root of 77 divided by 2. Okay, so those would be your exact answers, so you can't really simplify them anymore. But again, you can type these into your calculator to find out what they are. When you're typing these into your calculator, you really want to be careful though. I'll show you how you type it in. Okay, so on your calculator, you'd use the natural log button, which is right here next to the 4. So you do the natural log. It's probably going to give you parentheses, but since 9 plus, all of that is divided by 2, to make sure that's parentheses. So 9 plus, oops, 9 plus the square root of 77, and your parentheses, and then divide it all by 2 and parentheses. When you do that, you get about 2.18. And then the next one, you can do the same thing. Again, you'll click your natural log, which is kind of before, parentheses, 9 minus the square root of 77. All of that divided by 2. And it all has to be there. So then your second answer is about negative 2.1. So that is how you do these. The main thing when you're doing these is realize we don't like negative exponents. Then we have to clear our fractions. Then it's just a quadratic in disguise. So since it's e to the x squared, that's like having an x squared, or in this case a part squared, I made it. So instead of an x equals this, we'd use e to the x equals that and go from there. So it's just a quadratic in disguise, having to multiply and all that. So hopefully this helped. If not, I can help you tomorrow.